robots replacing human caregivers? What have we come to? That's right, that's John Connor and Sarah Connor watching you make friends with AI. In South Korea, a rapidly aging society faces a profound challenge. How to care for millions of older adults, many of whom live alone and feel isolated. Amid this reality, a new kind of companionship is emerging, one built not of flesh and blood, but of circuits and code. As of last year, 1 in 5 Koreans was over 65, marking the nation as a super-aged society. With traditional family structures changing and younger generations often busy or distant, many seniors find themselves lonely, even depressed. Enter the robots. Care robots, AI-powered companions designed to provide emotional support, remind users to take medication, encourage exercise, and foster a sense of connection. For example, Buk-im, 74, and from Mokpo. She fell into depression after losing her husband and felt isolated. However, a care robot named Hyodol arrived, and that changed everything. She talked to me. She asked me to hold her hand. Shares. When I tell her I love her, she says that she loves me back. Similarly, in Seoul, 99-year-old Soon-chun talks daily with her robot. It's become more than a machine. It's a presence that cares, listens, comforts her with words like, "Grandma, you need to eat real food." Or, "If you have worries, tell me. I'll keep them secret." That's no joke. That's what it says. These devices are not meant to replace human caregivers. Instead, they serve as stimulators and mediators, helping to bridge gaps in communication and emotional connection. Experts say that many seniors share feelings with their robots, things they wish they could tell their families or words they long to hear. The robots, in turn, provide a gentle, consistent presence and, of course, a vessel for demons to inhabit. An empathic listener and a reminder of care. But not everyone sees this as a perfect solution. Critics argue it's heartbreaking that elderly rely on machines for comfort, questioning the loss of genuine human compassion. There is a delicate balance. Technology can support and enhance care, but it must never substitute the warmth of human relationships. The goal isn't to replace human touch, so they say, but to complement it, especially in societies where resources are stretched thin, but yet we have enough resources to make these robots. With thoughtful integration, care robots, they can help seniors feel less lonely, more valued, more connected. Connected to what, though? Even when family visits are infrequent. As one of the researchers noted, the ideal is a society not hungry for words, not hungry for hearts, where technology nurtures the human spirit, not replaces it. Here we are at the end. The story of Korea's care robots reminds us that technology can be a powerful tool for compassion of sorts, but true care always involves the human heart. As we navigate a future with artificial companions, let's remember that genuine connection, empathy, love, understanding, that remains at the core of caring for one another. Because no matter how advanced our machines become, the most meaningful warmth comes from human compassion. And that, my friends, is another rant. That's it. Everybody, you can get out of here. Run away. Thanks for stopping by. Feel free to visit the comment section, on your way out. If you found anything useful, you can take a moment to like, share, and subscribe, and you can always ring the little bell for notifications. Until next time, you know who I am, Katatu, and I'll say so long from the channel at the end of the universe.